Now that we have discussed about triangles, the three-sided closed figure, now comes the new chapter, chapter number 8, called Quadrilaterals. What is a quadrilateral? Let's see the discussion in brief for a quadrilateral. Before we discuss about quadrilateral, let's get into introduction of quadrilateral. Let's see the introduction. A quadrilateral, which we have as the word Quadrilateral. Lateral, the second word of quadrilateral, refers to straight line. A straight line which is straight, and then quadri, which refers to four. So a quadrilateral is a four-sided straight lines, that is a figure which is formed by four lines which form the quadrilateral. So four straight lines which enclose together to form a quadrilateral. Let's get back to the recap of a triangle. As we have seen, a triangle has three straight lines which are angular, and then the three straight lines, the line number 1, the line number 2, and the line number 3, join together to form a shape called a triangle. Three straight lines join together in this manner to form a triangle. Similarly, four straight lines join together to form a closed figure in the similar manner called a quadrilateral. So let's see how a quadrilateral is formed. Imagine I take four lines which join together to form a closed region. For example, I have line 1. This is the first line, and I take the other line and I join out here, say here. And I take the third line and I just join somewhere out here. This is line 3. And then I take the fourth line and then I join out here. So here my fourth line is joined. Therefore, each of the lines, line 1, line 2, line 3, and line 4 are joined together to form a closed figure. Such a figure obtained is called a quadrilateral. Four straight lines formed figure is called a quadrilateral. So here this is called quadrilateral. And of course, this formed by three lines as a closed region is called a triangle. Triangle, quadrilateral are how we connect through the number of sides or the number of straight lines which join to form a closed figure. Therefore, I define quadrilateral So let's see how we can define quadrilateral in words. Quadrilateral in definition: a closed region formed by joining four straight lines is called quadrilateral. Is how we define quadrilateral. Quadrilateral defines a closed region formed by joining 4 straight lines is called quadrilateral. The 4 straight lines being line 1, line 2, line 3 and line 4 closed to form a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral and its diagram. Now that we have defined a quadrilateral to be a closed region formed by joining 4 straight lines is what is called a quadrilateral, let's see an extended definition of understanding quadrilateral more better. There are 2 types of quadrilaterals which are formed. One are regular quadrilaterals and the other are irregular quadrilaterals, or ordered quadrilateral and inordered quadrilaterals. So let's see the other set of quadrilaterals which can be formed using the definition of joining 4 straight lines. Imagine I have 4 straight lines which are joined as given in the definition. As per the definition, I would like to form a closed region which is formed by joining 4 straight lines in this manner. Imagine I take the line 1 and I take the line 2 and I put it in this order. This is line 2. And next I have the line 3 which is arranged in this manner. Then I have the 4th line and the last line which is arranged from this point to this point, and then I have the line 4. So line 1 out here, line 2 out here, line 3 out here and line 4 out here. The 4 straight lines which are joined to form a closed region. So this is a closed region obtained by joining 4 straight lines. So let's see if this is a quadrilateral. Yes, according to the definition, this is a closed region formed by joining 4 straight lines, and this is a quadrilateral. We have the quadrilateral which are of 2 types. One where the quadrilateral of this form is called ordered quadrilateral, and I have a quadrilateral of the form this, which is inordered quadrilateral. Therefore, a quadrilateral can be understood in 2 types. One is the ordered quadrilateral, which we have seen in the previous case, and secondly, it is the inordered quadrilateral, which is in this form. Inordered in the sense that they are not exactly in order, but they are cut in between. The collinearity of points is what we take into consideration in understanding this concept more better. Quadrilaterals are of 2 types: regular and irregular, ordered and inordered. But quadrilateral is a closed region formed by joining 4 straight lines. Any closed region obtained by joining 4 straight lines is called a quadrilateral, is how we understand the concept.